Yo, starting off with my time today. Current rate is $17 an hour. First order is going to be a Taco Bell going 6 miles.
Hey, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
Got one drink coming. Have a good night.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you.
Oh boy, 3rd floor, huh? All those steps just for it to be a no tip. Total for that was $8, and we've got the next one right away. This is McDonald's going 2.5 miles.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today? Yes, Tracy.
Thank you. Okay, see, now that's an order. Total for that one was $8. No staircase, and took about half the time as the previous one. Finally got the next order. This is a Wendy's. Oh, they just gave me an add-on. So we got a stacked Wendy's. I believe this is going about 5 miles total.
Hi, Officer Wendy's. What can I have for you?
That was for a mac cheese. We got another one, okay? Thank you. Have a good day.
I think there's an orange juice on this one.
What was that?
There's an orange juice with this one.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Sorry about that.
Do you have a cup holder?
Yeah.
Can I get one, please?
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That was quite the wait, but we finally got both orders. And this first drop-off needs a pin. Lovely. There you are.
Thank you so much.
You have a good day. Yikes. Both of those were no tips. Total for that stack was $8. Next order up is a Starbucks going 2 miles. Thank you.
Of course. Have a great day.
You too. Total for that one was $5, but it did only take me 8 minutes, so not bad. And got the next one right away. This is McDonald's going 7.5 miles.
DoorDash.
And that's another no tip. Total for that one was $7 and change. I tell myself every single time, but I really need to stop delivering to that building. They do not tip. Just got the next order. This is a different McDonald's. This one is going just under 5 miles. Thank you.
You're welcome.
There you are.
All right, man. Thank you.
Have a good day. Total for that order was $9 and change. And the next order just came in. This is a Starbucks going 3.5 miles.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You too. Hello. Just dropping off for Alicia?
Yeah, leave it here.
Sure. Total for that one was $7 and change, and it didn't take very long, so pretty good order, I'd say. Next up is an order for Richland Hub. This one is going 7 miles.
Hi, pick it up.
Yeah, for Candace.
Yeah.
No drink, right?
No drink.
Perfect.
Just food items.
Thank you. Enjoy. I mean, is that permission to have a little nibble?
Hi.
For Candace?
Yes.
There you are.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day. Total for that order was $10. Next up is a Krispy Kreme going 5.5 miles. Thank you. Have a good day. You too. Total for that order was $7 and change. And the next one is a Peachtree restaurant going just under 2 miles. Thank you. Total for that one was $5 and it took me like 6 or 7 minutes. This is an order for Subway. This is going 4 miles.
Hello, welcome in.
Hello.
You have online?
DoorDash for...
Right over there, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello. There you are.
Thank you.
Yep, have a good one. That would be a no tip. Total for that was $4 and the next one came in right away. This is Starbucks going 3 miles.
Oh, I'm going this way. Thank you anyway. Just the one.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Total for that one was $7. Next up is Champ Pizza. This one is $8 going 5.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a good night.
Close enough. Next up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $13 going 5 miles, 5 items.
USDA certified organic products from Poultry Staples. We've got you covered. We blend of raspberry, blueberry, and blackberry flavors. The summer berry.
Herpes zoster in adults 50 years and older. Never get in chambers. Crazy it happens, so take precautions. Most common.
Yeah, let's just pretend I didn't see you walk to your door, go back inside, and close the door right as I was walking up. That was weird, but okay. Anyways, let's go home. Current time is 10:22. Total, we ended up with 114. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.